Case name Nanda, age is 15 years, and today date is 3rd of June 2024. I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
My name is Nanda. I'm from Bangalore and I'm facing high pitch voice.
Okay, tell your hobbies.
Okay, I have a hobby of writing daily and going to fishing and etc.
Post therapy video of Nanda, and today date is 10th June 2024. I want speech sample after treatment. Why you came here? How do you feel after treatment?
My name is Nanda. I came for here for high pitch voice problem, and I'm feeling very good after the treatment.
Okay, when you are calling on the phone, what are the reactions you are getting from your friends? One by one you can tell about each friends.
Okay, first call I got, who is this? This is not my friend, they told for me first. Again, it's me, I told, and they recognized.
Second friend, when you called?
Second friend, he told, your voice is just like an actor. It is very nice. Now your voice is very good, he told.
So what was the problem before treatment?
Before treatment, they were saying, hello, your voice is like a female. I was thinking you're female.
So can you tell in your mother tongue, what was the problem? How do you feel after treatment?
Okay, my mother tongue is Telugu. First నాకు high pitch voice problem ఉండేది, ఇప్పుడు అది క్లియర్ అయ్యింది.
Okay, so can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes, sure.
So thanks for giving the permission, and those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in his voice, please like this video, share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.